Hi guys, my name is Owen, and today I'm going to show you a new toy that I just purchased so that we could grill in our Class B Winnebago Travato 59K camper van. If you've got one of these or if you've looked at them, you know that there's no way in the world you're going to get a grill inside of there. You may be able to put it outside, but inside it's not going to fit. But we found this grill. It's called a flat pack, and everything you need to grill is inside of this little green bag. Let me show it to you. Comes with the grate. This is the grill right here. Legs fold down. Then you take the grate, and there's two little slots that are cut out here that will let you fit it over top of it, and it's ready to light up. We did a couple more things. One of the things we did is at Walmart for $7 we got this Gotham grill and bake mats. Now, I've never used this before. This is supposed to let the char marks move through, but keep all the junk off of the grate itself. We're actually videoing this right next to the Creeper Trail in Damascus, Virginia. So those are motorcycles you hear going by. We got it, it was a little big, we cut it to fit. So we'll see how that's going to work in a few minutes. Another thing you can do with this, it's made so that one of the logs you buy will fit right down inside of here, and it's a fire pit. You can also put real wood in here if you want to as well. And they make one of these that you can actually use to cook with. So we may try that out a little bit later. Lynn and I love Royal Oak charcoal and the lump charcoal. So what I did is I took these 1 gallon bags and I put enough in this 1 gallon bag to cook on here. Also inside of here I put the lighter cube. So then we store 3 or 4 of these underneath our toilet in the back. There's a little compartment. Don't worry too much about that. But we store these back there because they're in the Ziploc bag. They don't get dust all over the place, and they're easy to get to. And then we can put them in the grill, and as our Canadian friends would say, Bob's your uncle. So there's the charcoal. This is the method I use to light the Kamado grill with this same charcoal at home. So it should work perfectly. Now we can put the grate back on. Probably get burned doing that. Not hot yet, but it's getting there. So that's all she wrote. I'll let that heat up for just a little bit, and then Lynn and I are going to grill out some hamburgers, and we're going to enjoy our time here in Damascus right beside of the Creeper Trail. Thanks for checking in with us. I'll show you the hamburgers once we grill them, let you know how that works. So it's been about 10 minutes. We have some of the charcoal now that's really putting out some heat. On this side, I'm not getting very much at all, but in the middle and over here, it's so hot I can't hold my hand over it. Getting pretty close to time to put the burgers on. Lynn's in the tent over here, watching other video reviews of the pack.
I watched several videos before we actually bought it too, so I thought it was something really cool that we could use. And
I'm glad you recommended that we get it. It's pretty cool. It's called the Flat Pack by UCO. It's a portable grill and fire pit, and this thing is working. It's about ready to go. We'll give it a few more minutes. Okay, so let's see how hot this has gotten. It's been 15 minutes since I lit the charcoal. So 4 burgers on here, probably room for a little bit more too. I'm gonna let those cook for a few minutes, put a little salt and pepper on it. I'll be right back. These back two over here are sizzling and having a happy little time. These front two, not so much. So it's been maybe 10 minutes since I put the burgers on. And you can see we don't have a lot of heat. I'm not sure if maybe the lump charcoal is not the way to go with this, or maybe I should have let it maybe heat up a little bit more than I did, but they're cooking. We're getting there pretty soon. A couple more flips and it'll be time. They're looking good though. So the grill I like a lot. Here are the coals after about 45 minutes. These things are still just going, they're just going to town. They're good. I'm not sure that the cover is a good thing for this. That little copper plated thing to put on top is the non-stick pad. I guess it's supposed to be good, but I think it kept a lot of the heat that would have transferred to the burgers. I think it kept that off of there, so maybe next time I won't use that at all and we'll just do a little cleanup instead of having to clean that little pad. All in all, it was really good. We enjoyed our meal and we're glad you came along with us. I think we'd give this maybe a 4 out of 5 stars. I think the grill might be a 5 out of 5 actually because of the size. What do you think?
5.
5 out of 5?
But I like grilled food.
We both love grilled food. Hey, we even grilled our buns. See you down the road.